Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics fast. Check the charging case LED and try a quick charge for at least 5 minutes so dead cells respond. Once done, place your phone with Bluetooth on and keep it within about 10 meters of the case. Make sure Find My is enabled on your device. This lets the phone query the Airpods even when battery is low. Start the locate sequence immediately while charging continues. Because the first reconnection attempts are time-sensitive and often succeed quickly. Now you run the locating tools. Open Find My and attempt play sound. If Airpods are fully dead, it shows the last seen location, which narrows your search. Meanwhile, use a Bluetooth scanner to detect any low-energy broadcasts, move slowly and watch signal strength to triangulate direction. If indoors, methodically search pockets, couch seams, bags, and under furniture while keeping the case charging. This increases the chance of them briefly powering up. Once you hear the chime or the signal peaks, stop and inspect carefully. Once you locate the Airpods, immediately place them in the case and charge fully for at least 30 minutes before testing playback or repairing. If they reconnect but behave inconsistently, perform a reset and repair to clear stale profiles. Make sure the charging contacts are clean and free of lint. Use a soft brush or isopropyl swab. Dirty contacts often prevent charging and mimic a dead battery. If nothing responds after cleaning and charging, consider professional service as the last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.